What's up guys, it's Lady Pops, and I just wanted to start off by saying sorry it's been a while since I last uploaded, but unfortunately my camera broke and you can see that major foul over on my vlog channel, Popsy Vlogs. So definitely go check that out, and if you're into art channels, I do a lot of sculptures and prop stuff during my everyday life too, so it's a good vlog to watch if you're into that kind of stuff. But anyway, back to today's video. I thought I would have another attempt at pyrography, or wood burning. I have actually done a little bit of this before, where for Christmas I made my boyfriend George a Dungeons and Dragons storage box. He was just starting to get into D&D, and so I thought it would be an awesome gift. And right I was, it actually turned out pretty awesome looking. I worked my butt off making it, like over 12 hours, just planning, burning, painting and perfecting. But it was totally worth it, and I think he loved it, and I loved it too. So I recently picked up this hexagonal chest to do more practicing with, and I thought I would share the journey with you. So sticking with the theme, I continued with Dungeons and Dragons, a great creative game by the way. I love making maps and creatures for all our quests, and if there's something you'd want to see in the future, just let me know. I decided to draw dice, followed by more dice, and then the text is, "This is how I roll along the rim." The tool takes around 10 minutes to heat up, and once it's hot you don't need to push very hard into the wood. A light touch is usually enough. Plus the deeper you go, the harder it becomes to draw, as the grain of the wood will affect you. If you notice that your lines are getting pulled by the grain, pull your tool out and place it down again to burn on top of the grain, creating little dots and dashes which you can later go over as a more straight line. It works best to rotate the object you're burning rather than moving a boiling hot pen around, plus it seems a lot easier to burn whilst dragging the pen towards you rather than pushing away. After burning out my pattern, I simply coated my box with a stain and varnish in the colour Walnut. And then I decided it could use a bit more pimping up, and I painted all the dice in this beautiful metallic gold ink, followed by some black ink within the lines just to make them stand out a little bit more. And voila, one awesome dice chest. Yeah, I still need more practice, but for a second attempt it looks pretty sweet. So anyway, hit that subscribe and like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!